I would say no, there was a massive clash. In fact, a boot for boot between NDC Miracles Aboagye, NPP Communication Officer, and Sports Obama, Saddick Adam, Angel TV presenter. Nah, it is so interesting. In fact, NDC Miracles Aboagye a clash with Sports Obama. Penyah, wa man kwai. Amana, I can't do a find people party wa man kwai. And I feel so no, you know, Mayor Senor a clash with Rashid Tanko Computer. I Penyah block video. That's what I said. Over like video, no that my brother subscribe button, some click notification and connect latest update. Now bet you the wide range that mama ever comment section. So baswa. No share first any biashe. So yesterday, Rashid Tanko Computer, mine na Obakaya eba say ni PhD crown e fake. Ni PhD na crown no di dwere num no. E fake. And this is for you buy go Ghana o 2025 buy who be papa. Mo per qualification, mo go school ko actually. Na mo go school. Mo nko mo dia mo fer kuntura se no. I say really. You know, Tango Computer went to prove it with evidence. The University of Moscow say Moscow say Moscow no why ka went to prove it. Went to prove. Go come ko say eja do kure. E di PhD no asem eba ho. Na Tango Computer no and on the NPP Mayor Sanyo eko PMO ewo you know radio station back so enra as a honor. That Tango Computer was trying to label the NPP as a fake party.
When we see the reality, and I'm telling my brother, he's a nice gentleman.
Just like
these people that you are protecting. Did you listen to the interview of Professor Boateng yesterday? Did you hear what he said? That NPP is not a fake political party.
Rashid,
it's not a party that they
help me on this quickly. His concern on whether it's towards
because of their behavior, well. Their posturing has made the good learned professor who served as a minister in that regime describing it now as a fake party. I didn't put those words in his mouth. That is a fake party because their behavior. I think that.
Chese, obazo chese NPP party a fake. Na then the can send be na fake na o kan ye no. Ana NPP Mayor Semenyo. Ejina eno aso. In fact, or the cooking no, he really cook Tango Computer. He cooking well.
I have indicated on this platform that I support the call for recovering all loot. But I'm not surprised that at one breath, somebody is confused. At one breath, somebody is surprised. It tells you the stock the two of them are coming from. So it is only good that one will be confused and one will be surprised. And it is good that they don't even understand what I'm saying because I am from a different species. Now, my brother sits and he says that Senor is a nice person. Why have you decided to join them? Don't join them in saying this, the things you're saying. I think that with all due respect, stop patronizing me and let's focus on the issues. The issue here is that there is a call for recovering all loot. You guys were so loud in this country. You made everybody to believe that you were going to recover at least a minimum of the alleged amount you mentioned. It is a year now, not even a pantry of the ordinary Ghanaian base pay increment you have increased, not even a base pay of that has been recovered. You only continue to be singing and writing preposterous things, and you want us to, keep on applauding you. You sit here and say that. Have you listened to one of your members who says that your party is fake? Agreed without admitting that what you are saying is true. It is a party that do not have fake academic credentials. It is a party that do not have fake doctoral things. It is a party that have people of integrity. If for nothing at all, nobody in the NPP, and I mean nobody, has been able to, be sanctioned for having fake PhD. So if you sit here and you tell me that my party, as said by somebody, An elderly man whom we
But
should.
you have to prove that point a bit for me.
An elderly man whom we should. When he's a fake, did you ask him to prove his point? Tell your technical team they should not be there and be directing. Did you ask him to prove his
Nobody is
point?
directing anything.
He should prove his point. I am telling you that when he's a fake, he should prove the fake he's talking about. You can't see. His fake has been reported. It's in the media. His fake PhD that he held. His fake PhD that he was using. You see, it is only appropriate that you should have integrity. You knew very well that you never attended any university. Yet you were attaching a PhD, a doctoral name to your as a title to your name. You sit here and want to call NPP as a fake party. You are a fake doctor. Mr. Tanko Computer, you are a fake doctor. You have been asked to stop using that title. You don't sit here and call the NPP a fake party because you've heard somebody saying it. Is that what you do? You always pick information on social media and sing anyhow?
Kindly, I asked about the pace of oral.
So do you not dictate the pace of how I speak?
No, but I asked you a question.
I keep telling you that when I'm speaking, and you think that my time is up and I've eaten into it, fair enough. But I will respond accordingly as far as I remain a party member. You dare not come closer to NPP and say that NPP is a fake party. You are the one hallucinating saying that NPP is a fake party. Tell them that you, Mr. Tanko Computer, you are a fake person. A fake man who actually put fake title on his name. We are talking about aura. Recover the loot and stop singing the Ayampian you.
So your time is up at this point. We'll go for.
Now that same instance, now Dennis Miracles Aboagye saw NUTV. The Honorable as Omu air discuss the economy. How Mahama is running Ghana economy, no any other. And come on for doing Montreal on grounds, cause on grounds, no. A bit much that's anyway my dene. Omo Tony my and talk. Second chrome. Obi a Canadian. But I know that these are journalists. I mean, name their how. I don't know whether they are all tending to become sycophant. They are all singing fake praises concerning Mohammed's government. So that meaning the per se be Ombenya Bibi, I don't know. But gradually, they are becoming sycophants. These journalists, they are becoming sycophants. Meaning, so whether they are low-key NDC members, so say maybe now they want to get glory from the NDC, but what I see about them is most of them are becoming sycophants, looking for something from the Muhammad administration, and because of that, they are singing fake praises as chorus. Every now and then, they are singing as chorus. Now, and some no can hear. That's a discussion on the economy. Now, always said there now. Sports Obama, yes, Saddick Adams. Was he a true question as a old debate? Dennis Miracles Aboagye, how was it? Was he yeah? Now I was like, there were you NDC panelist, and I said, were you show host? And I was run Dennis Miracles Aboagye. In fact, one man supposed to be one gap cry, one fan spend, one man a chance cry, one man a chance.
Don't keep here. One make statement say or more cancer.
Oh no, but at least when I go to my trade, I can even show you so many tags. So many tags.
Who?
Oh no, so many people. I mean, when you go on social media, I cannot pinpoint, but it's there. When we say conversations on social media, you say even the NDC people, NDC, and penny for Lankasa, Okasa and Akanutum. Fellow Squatcho for Su Akebi, Sami Jemfi Akebi, Elikem Kotoko Akebi. These are people like Okasa Kanutum, Namomo West.
But is it not true?
What is true?
That you
what is
the
true?
Economy west.
It is a lie. Wait, hold on.
No.
Hold on, it's a lie. It's a lie.
Is it not true that
it's a lie? It's not true.
No. Is it not true that Ghanaians voted against your government because you made the
Don't change your way. It is not true that it is not true that we make the economy worse. It is not true. No, it's not true.
The NPP government
it is not true.
Okay, so
now let's go into the conversations
on the economy.
You see, me a teacher ni.
Okay.
Me try de ewo kokore to me.
Right.
Ye kotoa beti ananado. Ye kotoa beti ananado no.
Yes.
Niema na me gina so kotoa beti ananado ne se mabrabo mo ayeden. Abrabo mo ayeden na ye economy. Abrabo mo ayeden na ye economy.
Right.
Abrabo mo adwo na ye economy. Ema me. Wona we ya aban na wo kra books na wo chocho mo no. You can have all your means to that output.
Exactly.
But me de productivity American say mabrabo mbedwo.
Yes.
Eno ho asa na me beka. 80 inflation ekosho.
Right.
If you are being inflation was 23%. If you are being inflation a even dollar a 14 cedis.
Yeah.
And see, not money be break cost. At least these two indicators I know is what at the moment is better than it was in 2024. Otherwise, the economic growth and everything, 2024 even the economy grew better than 2025
Inflation
grew.
and dollar.
And dollar.
And a food.
2024 the economy grew even better than 2025. But I'm finding into inflation, dollar and a fool. Sanya mami ensawe.
And Unkuana.
No, meba. Sanya mami ensawe. And say na ba femu.
Okay.
And na meba behwe. Sanya any at the NDC foka. Omaka before account.
About the economy.
Yes. These are the three things they say.
Oh, no. I'm sure say who person who can't dear or more can say dear Ghana for
mention that's a Ghana for saying Ghana. Miensa. And NDC foka wasam. Say being omudi biaka bit biaka. Almost $1 improve, which is true. 14 to 10.
Yes.
Inflation they moving from a drastic 23% to 5%. And now, back on last 1 year, fuel a movie from 14 cities to 11 cities. That is all true.
Yeah.
Perfect. Me ye teacher ni, me okukure to me. Me ye trade.
Yes.
Bosumi biya aketuye etuame in 2024 na 3,000 cities. 2025 ya 9%. Nti biya ka amudam fansa ko 3,500.
Yes.
Okay. Me ji misika e wo de amede ye. Wonso wuji usika e wo de ade ye. Be isa ne se sunu aduane ye nyina ye dinti. Ye befa ne ma me no mienu nyina ye tue hoka. Ye ahwe. Beboa.
Yes.
2024 nana inflation 23%. Dollar 14 cedis. Fuel 14 cedis no. Now 3,000 cedis na wo je no. Ukutua wo electricity afemu ni nyina utua 1,000 cedis per year. Afemu ni nyina. 2025.
Yes.
Inflation if 23 about drastic 5%. Fuel moving from 14 about 11. Dollar moving from 14 about 10. Ukutua fuel utua fuel 1,000 ukoto fuel friend say electricity uto electricity 1,306 Ghana cedis because I'm buying at 28%.
Okay.
Me kutua water bill na me tua water bill 1,000 cedis 2024 from the same money and then me tua water bill 1,150 because I'm buying at 15%.
Right.
Minua kojo mensa or ko University of Ghana. Na me tua school fees 1,650 2024. And then otua school fees 2,650 University of Ghana. Even the hostel baby are not done. Na me tua 6,200 and then me tua 7,800. Me
Yes.
wo be catch me teacher ni ko me okukuru to me say aban na about 2025 no. Me monse mu ma no because of the inflation if 23 about 5. And of the dollar if 14 about 10. And of the fuel if 14 about 11. Meanwhile, when brand inflation year 23 no, na me electricity bo e wo fem sense na wo sisi ya. About na inflation wo 23 no, na me nsuo bo e wo fem sisi ya. I was saving more in 2024 than I am saving now in 2025. How do you convince such a person according to me?
Okay, that is for the person who pays for electricity because it's been increased, and the person who pays for a hostel and school fees because it's been increased. But if you check,
hold on,
I'll check Ghana Statistical Service, inflation, especially food inflation and the other factors. You clearly see, so we pay electricity now, pay the other factors, how affect you now. Generally, inflation will low until people can spend more.
That is where you are wrong. Because you see, when you are going to do a general assessment, when you are going to do a general assessment, you don't pick things that people can do without.
Yes.
Afibia yedi emo rice once a year.
Food and yet
no.
So okay, say
I don't know say. Okay, which element are you using? I will say generally.
I am saying,
which element are you picking? I will say generally.
You have picked school fees.
Because that is what everybody cannot avoid. Every Ghanaian. Ask, wait. All of your people in this room.
Yes.
Who doesn't pay electricity? Who doesn't pay water? Those are things, school fees, electricity, and water is the common element.
Yes.
That everybody pays, that you can use to compare. But who dear mommy mindimo? Because I I am pay.
So
go to like
more. So we see food inflation.
And that's like food, no, but which food has come down? Okay, say about from my young
No, Ghana Statistical Service.
Which food?
All food stuff.
And I am telling you that the reason why we don't use food.
All food stuff.
The reason why you don't use food to judge people's cost of living in a situation like this is because for example, me say, mami use me as an example.
School fees the obeti.
Obi atu school fees.
But won't mean you obi an about school.
Obi aba school. Oi, obanko, ya say
young boys or more.
Obanko school. Say, mami tell school fees. Mami tell go the commonality school fees. Obanko school a unu ya bako. One kasakra ebi a woko.
Right.
So that one a common element. But won't mean for a more oil, sardine and a corn beef.
And yeah.
Debi, mami tell come come lata. Obi do e bro me. Ye do e bro na.
Okay.
Ye twa ye da begu apata no so e ofie. Ye banche. Oh no, say squad no wa ha. Ye banche. Banche ni ye tudi. Bode no ene ni ye twa.
Okay.
Bode ene ni ye twa. Eti say me to me banche na me koton wadwem.
Okay.
Na me nya 2000 Ghana cedis na me be fia. Sa 2000 Ghana cedis na me nya ye na me de be fie no. Me fa bi nkoton mo. Me fa bi nkoton bro. Me fa bi nkoton banche. It's what cost of living now. Don't come and speak to me.
I affect you differently.
They are affecting me. I'm away crazy. I affect who I would think kind. You to me avoid electricity, water, school fees. Nobody avoids these things. Okay. So if we want to have a fair basis of measurement, don't go and pick. Mr. Don't put a man call in other things. Why should I use milk? Milk has gone up, but why should I use it? Farm milk near 23 cedi, near 25 cedi. Why should I use it? Carton of milk has gone up. Why should I use it? Because I don't know, I can live without. There are okay, be saying na yakoto fuo, na mi fuo no me kota yateso. Orma. What is the total number of vehicles in the DVLA database as compared to the population? How do you want to measure the cost of living of your citizens using 10% of the people are omuko paki omuka omuto anabafem? That is the reason why when you go, I was in the market on Saturday, the reason why there's a big disconnect between what the government is saying and the reality on the ground is that the government seems to be focused on the few elites and those who can afford. Let me tell you something. Say, dollar na abafem. Do you know who are the beneficiaries? The rich and the business people. And I explain to you. I'll come back to the cost of living conversation.
Dollar doesn't affect the poor.
No, it doesn't. I'll explain to you.
No.
It doesn't.
The dollar rate doesn't affect.
In the current context, it does not, and I'll prove to you.
The current context.
No, I'm proving to you.
Dollar rate doesn't affect.
It doesn't. In the current context, it doesn't.
Why?
Because you see, the economy is being managed in a way that the government is very focused in showing us good dollars on paper, but the real sectors of the economy is suffering. So ultimately, the citizens do not benefit. Let me explain to you.
I'm coming. So if I'm a citizen, na me talk car we broaching. Na me was CD.
Perfect. You see, so you are coming to my argument. Elitist. How many of you? How many cars? How many are you?
Elitist for the talker.
Now how many? Do you know that there are 36 million people in Ghana? 36 million. How many percentage of them brought cars into this country in 2025?
So Obi or talker and ordinary Ghana.
No, you are not.
Obi or talker.
You are not.
On your ordinary.
Tell me, ordinary Ghana or you Obi or talker?
Obi or you.
No. See, ordinary Ghanaian now no offend the sika cost $1. So you see, when we na mode yamo analysis, enti na Ghana for do na ebre no. There are 36 million people in Ghana. How many cars were brought into the country last year?
So
calm down.
No.
No, who answer? They make our answer now. The person may answer. We're having a conversation.
Obi a auto car. Oye juma for first, second, third year. Or person auto car as a young girl. Now or $6 in 2024. Now dollar no will be a 15. Now say a 10. Now say nipa no so on your ordinary Ghanaian.
Answer my question.
Yeah.
Afe money nyina no.
Yes.
Nipa 36 million no. E moduro se na de dollar e de car ba Ghana.
Not even more than 200,000.
Exactly.
Yes.
And if you are going to use, that's why I was going to give you those who benefit from the dollar. Give me time.
Okay.
The business people and the elite. And I'll explain to you. Businessman or crying so we fear brocheba. January 2025. Now okra $1,000.
Yes.
And see, if I say, or person $1,000 a crabba into here 14,000 cedis.
Right.
And ne or the same so here $1,000 into here 10,000 Ghana cedis. Into no. We have for 4,000.
Okay.
Because sa 14,000 cedis na ko de koto dollars na ko currency no. 4,000 na question the bottom.
Okay.
But okoto nso ne buy no. Let me tell you what is happening in the market. Until now, better say buying penny for say businessmen and so. Let me tell you what is happening in the market. Within 5 weeks, dollar name moving from 14 about 12. But cost at 12. And a businessman in the cotons will naba. Or buy no by the time of 6 weeks, Niamani fee Malaysia bedu Ghana no. Now dollar name moving from 12 to 13. Or started so all Tony Mua and move from 13 about 11. The business community in Ghana will tell you, say they are not sure. The the movement of the dollar because a buying power, not the $1 billion abation or not the $2 billion abation, they are not sure where the dollar stands. So most of the business people are using 13 cedis as their rate of exchange in their business in pricing. Number two, Opa and Nekasa Utu call any of your banks. Now check is a rate be on amount. No bank will sell their dollar to you less than 12.3 cedis today in Ghana. Call websites, go to their websites and check. You and I know that the BOG rate, aggregated at the end of the business day. No bank is giving their dollar less than 12.3 to you. So, on no businessman now will take radio so I would if I say or minimum because 10.9, he's not getting his dollar at 10.9. 1, 2, he's not sure where the dollar stands. It will so say me to dollar no 11 in a medical year. Now man sheni year maybe tombe no next 11 I call 11.9. By the time I'm at home, I didn't be my baka. Yes, I'm a Penyah. Me see this because once I'm ready. $80 same day, and he say account. No, make number three. Anka dollar no, you can't want some in the context where it is connected with investment in real sector. Mama time I'm in church already. No, you better do what this is. When these are the realities. That is why there is a big disconnect. That is why the first time in the history of this country, dollar is coming down. Inflation is coming down, but prices of goods are going up.
The fundamental question is, who can see? I say, OSHA 2024 now they compare now. Generally, living conditions are higher than 20.
I am in America. The figures are here. No. I'm in America. I'm an example. In Suayanum, sachet water. Me messing.
You can't living conditions. I mean, you should say prices in
quantity.
No.
I price Obama.
You can't say living conditions. Prices can be higher, but people are purchasing power so higher.
Purchasing power and make catch we. Purchasing power and make we. Purchasing power. See, this is purchasing power.
Dennis, you are no. Me say the living conditions in Ghana now are worse off than 2020.
No, the fact. I am in a mere set. I'm giving you the data.
From
now I'm giving you prices. Me to school fees, I'm paying more. Me to electricity, I'm paying more. Me to water, I'm paying more. In Suamen, I'm paying more. Sachet water, I'm paying more.
These are the 4, 5.
No, there are more. I can mention out to you if you give me time.
Items are cost row.
Yes. Milo, 500. Is it 500? Yeah, 500 gram Milo. Sachet diano.
Yes.
Na ya tono. Away from po. Ya tono 50 cities and ya tono 73 cities. 10 of Milo, the air to ya, the Aquaida Hoa,
yeah.
Near 50 cities, I told 75 cities.
Yes.
Sisia. Farm milk, Nabut, farm milk, farm milk, yeah, no me. Colacos comedy 2 money. Near 23, near 25. Crate of egg, near 55, near 70.
Okay.
Member being count.
Crate of 5, near
55, near 70, yes. 55, near 70. 2024, near 55.
Crate of egg,
near 55, and near 70.
Really?
Now,
crate of
so what? I mean, ball of kenke, ball of kenke, near 5 CD, and then average 7. University of Ghana students, our faculty free Okonglo Junction, Echo TF hostel. No, to 10 CD or to 12 CD. So when you tell that person, say cost of living, coffee, now you add that things. I am the same here.
So when I did was around is here. Always watch the radio and I'm on comment section. I Penyah Block Media.